In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly's new update, step by step, so you can take advantage of the latest tools without getting lost in the interface. If you write emails, create content, edit documents, or just want faster AI help while you type, this update can save you a lot of time. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, look at your browser and click the Grammarly extension icon in the toolbar. This opens the main Grammarly panel, and from here, you'll be able to access the new features that were added in the update. Once the panel opens, scroll down until you find the option that says Use Superhuman Go. Turn that setting on. This is the step that enables the new vertical sidebar dock, which gives you faster access to Grammarly's tools while you work. After you turn on Superhuman Go, you'll notice a new vertical icon bar appear on the right side of your screen. This is called the Agent Bench, and it acts like a shortcut dock for all the different assistants and features inside Grammarly. You can hover over it or click it to expand the tools. If you see an icon you want to use, just click it. And if you want to add more tools, click More Agents, marked with a plus sign, to customize the sidebar with additional assistants. Now let's go through the main features one by one so you know exactly what each tool does. The first feature is Go, which is Grammarly's AI chat tool. To use it, click the purple arrow icon. This opens a prompt window where you can type a request based on what you're doing. For example, you could ask it to draft a reply, summarize this page, rewrite a paragraph, or help you improve a sentence. The powerful part here is that Go can use live context from what you're working on, so it can generate more relevant suggestions and edits much faster. Next is Proofreader, which is the classic editing tool many people already know. To open it, click the G icon. Grammarly will show you the error count, and it will highlight grammar, spelling, and clarity issues in your text. From there, you can click the suggestion cards one by one to instantly fix mistakes. This is one of the easiest ways to clean up your writing quickly without manually hunting for every typo. Another useful feature in the new update is AI Detector, which is designed as an integrity check. To use it, click the sparkle or magnifying glass icon, then paste your text into the tool, and Grammarly will give you an instant percentage breakdown showing how much of the content looks human written versus AI generated. This can be helpful if you want to review content originality or better understand how a draft may be interpreted. Now let's talk about Humanizer. This feature is great if your writing sounds too stiff, too robotic, or too much like raw AI output. To use it, click the person or heart icon. Then paste in the text you want to improve, and Grammarly will automatically rephrase it into a more natural, human-sounding flow. If you want content to feel warmer, smoother, or more conversational, this tool can make a big difference. After that, you'll see reader reactions. This one helps you understand how an audience might emotionally respond to your writing. To open it, click the people group icon. Grammarly will analyze your draft and predict how readers may perceive the tone. This is especially useful for emails, messages, announcements, or anything where tone really matters because it helps you avoid sounding too harsh, too casual, or too distant. If you're working on the career documents, the resume builder is another feature worth checking out. To launch it, click the ID badge or profile icon, then paste in your work experience or a job description, and Grammarly can help rewrite your bullet points with stronger action verbs and more polished language. This can be really helpful when you're tailoring a resume to a specific role and want your experience to sound more professional and impactful. Finally, there's the Paraphraser, which is perfect for quick rewriting. To use it, click the curved arrow or document icon. You can highlight text directly on your screen or paste it into the window, then choose a style like formal, concise, or casual. Grammarly will rewrite the text based on the style you selected, which makes it easy to adapt the same message for different situations. So the big idea with this new Grammarly update is that everything is now much more accessible from the side dock, and you can move between AI chat, proofreading, detection, humanizing, reader feedback, resume writing, and paraphrasing without jumping around so much. Once you know where each icon is, the workflow becomes much faster and more intuitive. If you want to get the most out of this update, I recommend turning on Superhuman Go first, then exploring each agent one at a time so you can learn what each one is best at. That way, you'll know exactly which tool to use depending on whether you're writing, editing, checking tone, or improving a resume. If this video helped you understand how to use Grammarly's new update, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.